in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. Firstly, let's search for Files app. And thanks to this app, we've got access to internal storage divided on categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also, you can check your favorites, save folder and internal storage itself. Next, you can go to nearby share to send and receive files quickly, and you can use clean to clean junk files from the smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.